How to get the caller's method name in the called method. Python, how to get the caller's method name in the called method. Assume I have two methods. If I don't want to do any change for method 1, how to get the name of the caller? In this example, the name is method 1, in method 2.
Inspect.getFrameInfo and other related functions in Inspect can help. This introspection is intended to help debugging and development. It's not advisable to rely on it for production functionality purposes.
Shorter version. With thanks to Alex and Stefan Lippin.
I've come up with a slightly longer version that tries to build a full method name including module and class. This URL, rev9cccbf.
This seems to work just fine.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.